Welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to learn about Stage Manager on macOS Ventura 13.0.1. So you can open your websites and this one like this one instead of going each time. Right now I'm capturing my video here, so you can open these one here. So how to do that? There is very easy way to do that. Let me close this one here. First of all, you need to go to your Apple here. This is new update, and go to setting. In the settings section you can go to desktop and dock, and in the desktop and dock you can see this Stage Manager. Just turn it off and turn it on. Right, so I just turn it off, and now if I minimize this one it will go back to the tray there, and I have opened so many windows, these all will go back to the previous position, right? So there is no more here, and now I just turn it on and you can see all will come back here, right? So if I open them again, everything will be here instead of going back to some other places, right? And what can we do here? We can also customize this one and turn it off and on. And if I want to show my desktop here, I can show my desktop icons. As you can see, here are my desktop icons, and if I don't want to show, I can just simply hide. In the control section, you can go to the control section and see here Stage Manager, and in the Stage Manager, if you want to show, then it will be here, right? So you can have Stage Manager at this place. Very handy and nice tool. And if you don't want to show, just don't show. Now if I turn it off, right, that same window will go back to the previous position. And if I just go back, then turn it on, Stage Manager, then you just simply go there and it will be here. It is very nice tool for, you know, if you have a lot of windows open and you want to work on different windows, different files, different things, then you can easily do that. So I hope you like this video, and thumbs up and subscribe if you did. I'll see you in another next video. Bye bye.